Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you guys probably already know this honeydew slime. So over the past month, it's gotten like really hard. It doesn't look so hard on my camera, but it's really hard to poke and stretch. It's actually like really hard. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix it with like things that laying around your house, like really simple things. So let's get on to the video, but before we do, I forgot one thing. I want to get up to 20 subscribers, so it would be really nice if you guys would comment down below some slime ideas and recommendations, and I will get back to you guys' comments as soon as I can. So let's just get started. Okay, so some of the ingredients you will need is any type of lotion. Just make sure it's just like a regular lotion, not like any special things. This one's just a shea butter lotion with coconut oil. So that's a lotion that you guys might need. And you need some water. I recommend hot water, but I have cold water right now. So I'm going to go heat up my water really fast. You don't want too hot, you just want lukewarm. Okay, so now I got my lukewarm water. Let's adjust the camera. Sorry about the angles, but you're going to take your lotion and you're going to put a little bit inside the water. Like that much. A little bit more. And then you want to let it sit for a few minutes, and I'm going to get back to you guys once it sits for a few minutes. Or you could stir it, but it would be prefer to sit. Okay, so after like 10 to 15 minutes, it's like this. So this is like right, you kind of want chunky. Okay, so now what you're going to do is put this to the side, and you're going to get your slime. So what I would recommend first, if the water and lotion, just the lotion thing doesn't work, then use the water lotion. So we're going to get some of the lotion. Sorry, it's like almost out. And we're going to get some of that. And we're going to try to mix the lotion in. So this kind of helps. Okay, so it is still super hard. Okay, so what you want to do is roll it up in a ball. Then you want to put a finger like that. Okay. Sorry about that. I had to yell at my dog because I told him to be quiet like 5 times for this YouTube video. And you can hear him still. Gizmo! Shh! So annoying. Okay, so what you're going to do is pour a little bit of the lotion water mixture into the hole. Okay. Now what you want to do is take some of it out and go like this and spread it around it. So now we're going to start mixing the water mixture into the slime. Okay, so the consistency that we really want right now is a more drippy, sticky, because that's the kind of slimes that I like. So we're going to roll it back up in a ball again. Stick a hole in it. And add some more of the lukewarm lotion mixture. Like that. Here, let me fix the camera. There we go. There we go. Now we're kind of getting that consistency. I don't know how to say it. Oops. Consistency. I don't know how to say it. Sorry. Okay, so just want to get the rest of the water because mine kind of spilt. Oops, the lotion dropped. Okay. So now that we got all the water, we're going to see if it's good now. Okay. So, oops. We're going to try the drip test. Falls pretty good. Okay, I'm going to wipe this down because it's still wet and it's not like sticking. Okay, so I kind of wiped it down and here is my slime now. And it stretches way easier. So I'm going to try to attempt a swirl with this one. So I'm going to go like this. Okay, it still needs a little bit more. So I'm actually going to start to add a little bit more to it. My dog. Like that much. Okay, so I'm going to finish mixing this in and come back with the final result. Okay, so, sorry about the camera angle. So after a while of adding and mixing up, I came to this nice sticky slime. So remember the other clip where it used to be super duper hard? And now it looks a little bit bigger, actually. I'm surprised with what lotion can do to make a slime a bigger size. So, thanks for watching. Just to remind you, for my set of goal, 20 subscribers, 20 to 10. So, I'm actually doing my first goal to 10 subscribers, and then we might go up 10 every time we reach the final goal. So thank you guys for subscribing. Hope you guys will like, turn on my post notifications bell, and also comment down below some slime ideas you guys would like me to do. Bye guys!